भगवान आए राधा स्व आमी, बार बार तिन करूं प्रणामी।
Today, from the sacred land of Dayalbag, the superhuman children of Dayalbag present a divine journey of knowledge, service, leadership, and guidance. The life journey of revered Supreme Father, Professor Prem Saran Satsangi Sahab. The journey begins in the spiritual and scholarly city of Banaras, where he was born on 9th March 1937, on the auspicious day of Holi. From childhood, discipline, knowledge, and higher purpose shaped his life. In 1958, he was initiated into the Radha Swami faith, forming the spiritual foundation of his journey.
ऐसे समरथ जब जग आवे, ऐसे समरथ जब जग आवे, तार सतगुरु अवतारा, तब ही प्रगटे ज्योति मर्म की, होए अनंत उजारा। अति सुंदर मन भावन, आनंद लावन तिमिर न सावन, प्रगट्योया संसारं।
Namo Rani Madaram Ya Jagat Jananiyam. On 11th November 1958, the divine union of Dataji with Rani Sahibaji marked the beginning of a journey that continues to blossom through science, consciousness, and music. And on this Mother's Day, we bow in reverence to that nurturing presence. From Banaras Hindu University, his academic brilliance shone early, later earning him the Distinguished Alumni Felicitation on 13 February 2021 in recognition of his exceptional contribution to academics and society. He pursued advanced studies in engineering and system sciences, completing his Master of Science in Electrical Engineering from Michigan State University in 1961. He strengthened his research through doctoral work completed in 1969, including academic association with the University of Waterloo, Canada, and global research collaborations.
गुरु ज्ञान को जान सोई मानता है, जो ज्ञान सो ज्ञान को काम लावे। खंजार 10 द्वार हो पार। दुर्धाम में जाए विश्राम पावे।
In 1964, he joined the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. In 1972, he became associate professor. In 1973, he became professor of electrical engineering. His research in systems engineering and interdisciplinary education earned wide academic admiration.
गुरु ने मुझे सारथन पढ़ दिया। हमारे गुरु ऐसा रतन पढ़ दिया। भाव घटे नहीं मोर ना उतरे। मोहर छाप सिर किया। हमारे गुरु ऐसा रतन पढ़ दिया।
Evo Suprema Locte.